I don't understand the Coinbase legal officer, and I make this video to simply get your comment on what he actually means. Look at this. This is the Coinbase legal officer, Paul Grewal. I've read, reread, and reread the major questions doctrine holding in Nebraska at page 19 to 26. Swap out secretary for chair, digital asset for student loans, and there is no conclusion but one. The SEC's interpretation of investment contract violates the law. Actually, it's far worse. The economic and political significance of falsely claiming authority over all digital assets other than BTC is not just staggering, but untethered to the fundamental requirement that there be enforceable rights between enterprise and purchaser. Read it yourself over here, and as a bonus, Congress isn't just capable of fixing standards by theoretically passing legislation in the future, it's actively working to do that right now. This isn't even a close call. And so people are jumping on this. Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, says the SEC is violating the law. We got YouTube videos around this, SEC losing ground in crypto war, Coinbase strikes hard, and this is the chief legal officer over here. And this is the document he's referring to in this tweet. Now there's a tool called Chat PDF. You upload the PDF over here and you can chat with that PDF. So instead of reading through all of this 77 pages, we can chat. And so let's first get 5 bullets of what this is actually about. The Supreme Court decided that the Secretary of Education can change the rules for student loans under the HEROES Act. This means that the Secretary can cancel or reduce loans in certain circumstances. The decision has big implications for how federal financial aid works. Borrowers and public servants with student loans might be affected by the decision. The decision is based on how people communicate with each other and what they mean when they say things. Is there anything mentioned about digital assets? No, there is no mention of digital assets in this document. The document is about a Supreme Court decision regarding the Secretary of Education's authority to change the rules of student loans under the HEROES Act. So this is the first interesting piece of information here, right? I'm not a lawyer, but I think it's quite a far stretch to make analogies from the Ministry of Education regarding student loans and the SEC regarding digital assets. It's two very different things. And so then I went on, put the following comment by the chief legal officer of Coinbase in context with this document. Explain the comment in 5 bullets for a 5th grader. So I copy-pasted the tweet, and here we've got Chat PDF explaining the argument. The comment is about a Supreme Court decision that talks about student loans. The person who wrote the comment is saying that if you change some of the words in the decision, it shows that the SEC is breaking the law. And then it just says that the SEC is a different group and that it's not really related. When we go to the page, right, I really try to understand this here. We go to the pages mentioned, 19 to 26. And so we've got a part of an argument here that talks about responsibilities, especially in the context of emergencies. Something that we don't really see in the crypto space. So I don't really see the analogy here. I'm not a lawyer though. I do feel that there is too much fuss being made here. Coinbase obviously has to defend itself, but if this line of argument really holds steady in front of the court, that's yet to be seen. Feel free to join us on Telegram. Simply search for Bitcoin Strategy Channel within the Telegram app or click the link down below. I hang around there regularly. Looking forward to see you there. Bye bye.